up, you guys? So it is about 8 o'clock a.m. I just woke up, brushed my teeth, and got ready to film. So lately I've been getting a few questions about my skincare routine under my videos and also on my Snapchat. So I just decided that today I was gonna show you guys what I do in the morning, and then I can just kind of talk about what I do at nighttime. And let's just get into it. I mean, as you guys can see, like, I just look up. I kind of got, you know, a little oil around the nose. I'm feeling my skin a little oily in the little T-zones. Usually at nighttime, I will use my witch hazel and just put it on a cotton round. And then just rub your face. I recently started using this probably like 2 to 3 weeks ago, because I read about the benefits of using witch hazel, like toning and helping get rid of acne. And lately, I must say, I feel like it's been doing a job. I haven't really had any acne. I feel like my skin has been even. It's been brighter. I've been feeling it. I've been loving my skin these days. Alright, now that is over, it also helps you take off your makeup. So if you didn't take our makeup off and use witch hazel, you're definitely going to be able to see if you still have makeup on. As far as washing my face, I usually use a Vino. I alternate between this daily scrub and then just the brightening cleanser. They're both like Positively Radiant. It's supposed to be brightening. The only real difference is that this is a scrub and this is just supposed to be a cleanser. So I'm just going to use my cleanser today because I just used the witch hazel. I don't need to scrub on my face. Don't you hate when you have like a water droplet on your eyelash and it's just like bothering you? But I don't know. I hate getting water on my eyelashes because then I feel like I got stuff in my eye. And I just do this until it starts to dry out, and then I just wet my fingers and go back in with it and it'll. So I am done with my cleanser. I'm just gonna rinse my face off. And then I'm gonna pat my face dry. I try to do it with like a lukewarm kind of cool water because I think it helps close your pores back up. So don't rinse it off with too hot water. I feel like I'm just like almost every other girl, being in scalding showers, but not this time. So I leave a little bit of moisture on my face for whatever reason. I just like to let it dry. And then as my final step in the morning, I usually just use some coconut oil on my face. It's solid right now, so what I usually do is it's kind of like a little block in here. I bring the block to the front, wrap my fingers on it to get some of the coconut oil on them, and then I just rub it on my face. And I like this method because you don't really get too much of the coconut oil on your fingers, so it's not like you saturating your face in it. It's just enough to give you like a light layer of moisture, and I don't feel like I'm shiny throughout the day with it. By the time I'm all ready to go, I feel like my face done soaked it up and I'm ready to go for the day. Usually if I'm barefacing it during the day, I'll just apply some mascara and then some lip gloss or something. I don't know, but I just been loving my skin these days. I just feel like I just keep popping. And I know when the sunlight hits you right, you that glow. Anyway, so I also have an announcement this morning. I have a winner for my giveaway, but I'm not giving it away until Friday. So you guys have to stay tuned in and figure out who won. Did you win? We just gonna see. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed my little skincare routine. You guys let me know if you guys are going to try it out or if you already use some of these products. But anyway, I will see you guys on Friday. Bye.